Good afternoon, you are watching RK News. I am Shilpa. First the headlines. Second leg of monsoon session of Parliament begins today. Issue like communal violence, terror attacks, nuke deal and price rise likely to figure. Jet Airways announces reinstatement of all sacked 1900 employees. US market rebound, recession continues. In Asian markets, oil price plunged to a 15-month low. And second test between India and Australia underway in Mohali today, injured Kumble doubtful. And now the news in detail. Extended monsoon session of Parliament begins today. The second leg of session is expected to be stormy as number of issues like communal violence, terror attacks and price rise may be raised during the debate. External Affairs Minister Pranab Mukherjee is likely to make a statement on the Indo-US nuclear deal. Agreement is as it is going to be first session after the conclusion of the pact. Jet Airways, which has sacked 1900 employees, had withdrawn its decision yesterday and reinstated all the employees. The decision was announced by the Naresh Goyal, owner of Jet Airways, and CEO Saroj K. Datta at a press conference late night. The sacked employees were asked to join duties from this morning. Jet Airways Chairman Naresh Goyal said that they are my family and can work from Friday morning. Oil prices slumped further, with crude sliding under $67 a barrel, the lowest level for over 15 months. Crude oil were down more than 50% and from record of high above $147 reached in July, when price had rocketed on fear of supply disruptions. Meanwhile, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries OPEC has said its special ministerial meeting on the impact of the financial crisis in oil prices is being brought from October 24 from November 18. That's all in this bulletin. For more updates, keep watching RK News. Good night. Culture, which represents the country's status, but today its definition is merging in the mist. The gap between young and old is widening gradually. With cameraman Rajneesh, it's Shilpa for RK Films.